Alright folks, we got the RV-7 bound up to the Annex 6 here. And she's looking real good. See your nav light there, and the red nav light there, and landing light there. And another landing light there, and their other nav light, the green nav light. Quite bright, they look really bright. And I was happy to see that we have a tail light here too. Tail light there. Yeah. Super nice. So there she is. Alright. Now. Alright, so let's check this out here. Alright, throttle cut off. Throttle cut off. Right there. Alright, throttle test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got throttle. We got throttle, these gents. Okay. Alright, throttle. Alright. And we have right aileron. Excuse me. I'm so excited. I'm forgetting what the sticks do here. Okay, so we got our right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, and we've got our rudder. Whoop, throttle cut on. Here we go. So we got our gate throttle cuts on. So we got our rudder now too. Rudder. Okay. And flaps. Flaps test. Flaps test. Here we go. All right. Half flaps. Full flaps. All right. We got a 2-second delay. So look at that. Flaps off. Take off flaps. Landing flaps. Got the nice slow delay, like I said. All right. This bird is ready to fly. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Ready to fly. Ready to go, folks. Ready to rock and roll. All right. Awesome. I'm so excited. Flying is next.